Hi, today we'll be making a simple pastel scenery in Procreate. So let's get started. First, we'll set the background color to this cream color that will give it a great look. And on the first layer, we'll be selecting the darkest color. Zoom out a bit and make a wave. Done. Add a new layer. Bring it to the back, select this, and this. Shortcut, just add a few layers. And now we'll select this, select the new layer, and we'll change it into this. And this. Yes. And now switching to this one. And then this. So we're done with the mountains. Now we'll add a new layer. Send it back. Select the pure white color and make a sun over it. We'll just clear it. Tap and hold to make a perfect circle. Bring this up a little and then done. Voila! And this is how you make a simple pastel scenery under 2 minutes.